Wow, what a difference a couple days makes. Right now it's like 65 degrees. And as far as snow goes, it has done all melted. I think this afternoon I'm gonna try to get the plates laid out for this other gable wall. With luck, maybe on Saturday or Sunday I can get enough people over to pick it up. Only a 16-foot wide wall, but all the weight tends to be up at the point. It's so warm out here, I decided I had to go in and grab a lighter t-shirt. For November 3rd, this is pretty much unheard of. As I said in one of the last videos, I marked out the one wall on the floor in black chalk lines. Then I marked out the other wall on the floor in red chalk lines. So now we just follow the template that's on the floor, minus I don't have any windows in it. It's 70 degrees right now, but I guess tomorrow's temperature is supposed to drop down to 59 for a high now. So I'm not sure, with luck. There's no chance of rain, so I'm not going to worry about covering this. And it doesn't look like there's any frost coming, so for the next couple of days anyhow. So I think I'll just kind of henpeck away at this over the next 2 or 3 days. Hope to get it all set for maybe Saturday to lift it with the guys again. If not, I'll have to wait until I can, because this one is definitely going to be heavier than that one. This will have the window upstairs for the loft, which is going to be another 3x5. Then it'll probably have a smaller one for the kitchen. Yeah, so I was having a little bit of difficulty trying to figure out where this header had to come in and sit. And it dawned on me, just measure off the floor. So now, with my header in place, I can actually get the length of this king stud, which actually sits on the top of the header for this window. And I should be able to get my measurements for the studs that sit underneath that window. Oh, and by the way, I went and picked up my daughter yesterday. She wanted to come out for the weekend and visit with me and help with the build a little bit. So once she gets her butt out of bed, we'll probably see her running around here helping me do some cleanup and maybe build this wall out. Well, look who came out to join. My little daughter Riley. You got a blister?
Yeah, it's popped and it hurts.
How do you manage to get a blister?
I don't do hammers.
Oh, you don't do
Anything. Yeah.
Okay. Well, I have to see if I got a couple more pieces of 1x4 up there, up on the hillside, and if I don't, I'll just leave the Tyvek loose on this, and next time I run to Menards I'll pick up a couple more pieces. I'm going to need more for the sidewalls anyhow. Once again, these are our nailers for our board and batten. Ooh, are we going to try it, boys?
Maybe. No, well, I gotta go, so I'll talk to you guys later. Yeah, is it unbolted? Yeah, it wasn't when we tried moving it.
Oh, there was one screw left in it.
I had to see that.
We got the two beefs in the... Ready, guys?
No.
Ready?
Goddamn green.
This gets heavier. Just keep walking it up. Alright, P. See you guys.
Head on up here.
Push! Push! Walk.
He does know you can't put that up on the cart.
Yeah, we can.
Here, we'll just tempt that one and flip the other one. Oh, a mile in, huh?
Yep. Nope. One more.